All right, after the Splunk admin workshop, let's come over to the Splunk SPL workshop, right? SPL is the search processing language that Splunk uses to query data. This is where you're going to master the search language. Splunk is very, very powerful. It's even more powerful if you understand the SPL. Some of you know there's a bunch of different commands, a bunch of different functions that we can use in Splunk. We're going to break them down here. We're going to learn, this is where you master the search language that powers everything in Splunk. We teach you how to extract fields. We're going to teach you how to use regex, enrich the data with lookups, and build powerful searches that support dashboards, alerts, investigations, and all other types of knowledge objects. And you're going to learn what knowledge objects are too. Don't worry about it. This is going to unlock roles for you, such as a threat hunter, SOC analyst, Splunk admins, and information security analyst related roles.